Judge sided with the SEC in Terraform case on security sale question. Judge Rakoff, who is overseeing the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Terraform Labs and former CEO, has granted summary judgment in favor of the regulatory agency. The ruling states that Quan and Terraform were both involved in the sale of unregistered securities, specifically the Luna and Ms. Durkins. Rakoff stated that VCC had alleged in count 4 of the amended complaint that the defendants had offered to sell Luna and Mir tokens without registration in violation of sections 5A and 5X of the Securities Act. The CSC also claimed that Quan and Terraform had offered and facilitated transactions in unregistered security-based swaps, and that the defendants had engaged in fraudulent schemes to deceive investors. According to Rakoff's letter, both Luna and Mir are securities by definition. He also used the Ho test to conclude that the investment contract description provided by Howe was a legally enforceable declaration. Now that Terraform and K are facing trial for SEC fraud charges, Rakoff has proven that we, WCWU, Luna, and Mir are investment contract. By taking advantage of the SEC admission that US was not a security in and of itself, buyers knew it wouldn't make a profit, but would instead stay at $1, the defendant's anchor protocol, which Quan publicly publicized, to generate the market's greatest stablecoin yield, aiming for 20 fixed APR, and US holders would be able to depreciate their holdings, according to the SEC's February center stage charges. The court has already ruled that the trial will begin on January 29th, and a corporate official informed Blockwork via email that the selection of jurors will take place on January 24th. Rakoff said both the defendants and the SEC had sought to have 2 expert witnesses removed from the case, but the court rejected their pleas. Judge Rakoff, however, concurred with the SEC that the hiring of 2 additional defense specialists was not feasible. The top legal officer of Ripple has spoken out over the terror ruling, asserting that the exit prop is not a danger. In the matter of S against Ripple, Judge Jed Rakoff of the Southern District of New York sided with the SEC on Tuesday, enabling the SEC's lawsuit against Terraform Labs and its developer Duan to proceed. Also, Judge Rakoff didn't agree with Judge Torres that sales to institutions were different from sales to regular people. To set the stage for an appeal, the SEC asked Judge Rakoff to overturn Judge Teresa's Ripple decision. After initially declining to comment, Judge Rakoff eventually decided to reject Terraform Labs' request to dismiss the SEC action, citing the agency's compelling proof suggesting that Luna, Terra US, and the Anchor Protocol may have broken securities laws and adequate evidence of jurisdiction. Stuart Alderati, chief legal officer of Ripple, wasted no time in stepping in to set the record straight. An agreement between the contracting parties is necessary for an investment contract, according to Alderati. Therefore, orange groves are not security in and of themselves unless there are agreements to grow them and divide the profit. Among other rights and responsibilities, he continued by saying that the judge's ruling that tokens are not securities renders the comment regarding the Ripple decision unnecessary, ambiguous, and not legally purchasable. Julius Alderman James Murphy, alias Metal Man, was prepared to offer his thoughts on Judge Roth's ruling when he recalled a video from 7 months ago in which he had labeled Rakoff a rogue judge, an accusation he had brought up again. When he disagrees with other judges, Rakoff makes it clear. Metal Man James Murphy seems to have found the reason behind Judge Rakoff's decision, a chart formation that indicates a big event on December 31, despite the fact that many have fought against it. A major trend has been reached with the completion of the internal transfer of 70 million XRP from Ripple Labs' American blockchain payment. Many are wondering if XRP is a scam since it fails to meet lofty objectives such as a $10,000 price target. There has been controversy, uncertainty regarding scalability, and other problems on the network as a result of the unexpected emergence of XRPL inscriptions on the XRP ledger, which has led to difficulties at 50 top. Technical study of the XRP and USDT price charts indicates that December 31st is a pivotal date for XRP, as it may soon break out of a descending triangle formation, which might indicate a noticeable uptick in volatility and a change in assets. As XRP price action compresses toward the triangle's apex, a frequent accumulation indicator during uncertain times, a descending triangle with a flat lower border and an upward sloping upper boundary is visible on the daily chart. Descent resistance, a crucial support level to monitor for XRP, is the 55 cents mark, as it has persistently withstood bearish pressure. Persisting above this level would strengthen the case for an upward breakout. If the price drops below this important mark, it might find support near the 50 cents mark, where buying action from earlier in the day could act as a support. In this situation, the levels of resistance are equally crucial. The most immediate resistance is located near the top of the triangle at approximately 63 cents, where recent price moves have formed a congestion zone. The acceleration of the advance toward this level occurs at 65 cents. Recently, the cryptocurrency analyst xrpupdate Crypto uploaded a video to X in which he discussed a conversation with a top-tier banker. The financial institution stated that keeping Ripple's XRP token for a decade could yield incredible rewards, with the potential for each token to be worth as much as $2,500. The banker allegedly issued a challenge to them, asking them to explain how 40,000 XRP might become $100 million, as reported by xrpupdate Crypto. The cryptocurrency analyst referred to the token cycle of existence. Says 10 years. Each Ripple coin would need to be traded for $2,500 in order for 40,000 XRP to be converted into $100 currency. While everything was going on, the banker brought attention to the prediction made by Ripple CTO David Schwartz that 40,000 ETH would reach $100 million. According to the banker, XRP is currently reiterating a cycle that is similar to the one that occurred between 2013 and 2017, but it is twice as lengthy. A tweet from xrpupdate Crypto 27th of December 2023 is therefore, according to the estimations of the banker, XRP can reach $2,500 by the year 2027. To become a millionaire, what is the minimum amount of Ripple's XRP coin that you need to have if it reaches $2,500? The origin XRP is Siam. In the event that Ripple's XRP coin reaches $2,500, this would demonstrate a staggering increase of more than 390,000. Despite the fact that the number would appear to be incredibly high, it is not something that the cryptocurrency sector has not seen before in the past. A little more than a year after its introduction, Shiba Inu SHIB, for instance, experienced a growth rate of several millions of percent. Ripple XRP price prediction for the new year 2024 is also worth reading. When the price of XRP reaches $2,500, an investor would require 400 tokens in order to become a millionaire. There is currently a price of approximately $256 for 400 XRP. In addition, there's been a lot of discussion around the possibilities of the XRP coin that Ripple has created being utilized as a bridge for CBDC central bank digital currency initiative. If this were to occur, there would be a large increase in the number of people using XRP, which would certainly cause its price to skyrocket. It has even been suggested by a few analysts and influential people that if XRP were to be employed as a bridge currency, its value may surpass $10,000. Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, has been the topic of some of the most optimistic price forecasts this year. In the following paragraphs, each Ripple coin would need to be traded for $2,500 in order for 40,000 XRP to be converted into $100 currency.